guys, welcome back to our channel The Designer Trio. Thank you guys for subscribing our channel. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Our channel talks about interior designing, do's and don'ts related to construction and design and DIY related to home decor. We upload new video on every Sunday. To get the updates on the same, click on the bell button and also follow our Instagram page. Link will be given in the description. And also for details, you can also view our official website given in the description box. Today's video is a DIY which guides you to transform plain boring walls into interesting spaces for reminiscing your memories. Yes, today's video is a memory wall. See the video and get an idea of how to do it. this video is useful to you guys, and this video will help you to transform your simple, boring walls into interesting and colorful walls with the help of some old photos, cardboard pieces, coloring papers, and lot of creativity. If you like a video, do share it to your friends and families. And if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Designer Trio. We would be releasing new video on every Sunday. Stay tuned to our channel. We'll meet you the next Sunday. Bye bye guys.